Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we will present material, social and political impact of physical theory. Briefly, permission to introduce myself. My name is Alexandria with NPM 32 and my friend.
My name is Dwi Jayanti with NPM 29.
The first material will be developed by me. Background: the principle of quantum mechanics catalyzed the development of technology that underpin modern society, including semiconductor, laser, digital communication, and computing. These innovations have revolutionized economies, transformed industries, and reshaped the social fabric by altering how people live, communication, and interact. The acceleration of technologies progress is rooted in the theoretical physics has raised an important question. Moreover, the scientific theory have had a significant impact on philosophy, culture, and the broader worldview of humanity. Relativity and quantum mechanics challenge long-held assumptions about absolute time, deterministic reality, and objective observation. This shift influenced not only scientific thought but also permeated our literary literature and modern philosophy, altering humanity concepting of its place in the universe. Next, nuclear energy and atomic weapon. Special number one, special relativity and the equation in the early 20th century. Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity fundamentals changed your understanding of physics by redefining concept of space-time and energy. One the theory landmark insight was the equation with surveillance of proportions equal between mass and energy. Number two, the Manhattan Project and development, the atomic bomb. This effort culminated in the creation of two types of nuclear weapons which were not developed in Japanese cities or Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The immediate aftermath was this bombing caused unprecedented destruction. More broadly, in the end, World War II and demonstration the immense discretion power unclassified by physics research, forever changing the nature of war and international relativity. Number three, the impact of nuclear weapon and global politics. The use of an atomic bombs during World War II set off the shift the global balance. Number one, post-war geopolitics order. The United States emerged dominant superpower with exclusive access to nuclear weapons, reshaping alliance and global influence. Number two, Cold War and nuclear arms race. The Soviet Union's subsequent development of its own nuclear arsenal sparked a prolonged period of tension and competition between the superpower known war, Cold War. This rivalry manifests in intense arms race and proxy war, defined by the looming threat of nuclear annihilation. Number three, doctrine of deterrence and MUD, the concept of mutually assured destruction, become the cornerstone of nuclear strategy, where neither side would launch a first strike due to certainly of catastrophic retaliation. This doctrine paradoxically mentioned a fragile peace while perpetuating global anxiety and armed proliferation. Technological and economic transformation. Number one, quantum physical research and the emergence of modern technology. Quantum physics in early 20th century as new framework for understanding the behavior of matter and energy at atomic and subatomic scales, overturning classic physical assumptions of determinism. Number two, innovation in semiconductor computer and the internet. The transistor infused in 147 replaced bulky and incredibly vacuum tubes in electronic circuit, making devices smaller, faster, and more energy efficient. This innovation culminates in the personal computer revolution of the late 20th century and the subsequent rise of the Internet. The Internet intelligence, military, and academic communication network expanded rapidly into the public and commercial sector, transforming how information is shared, business operate, and social interaction occur worldwide. Next material with my friend.
Technological and economic transformation. 3. The impact of physical-based theory on economic growth. Physics drives technology returns have been central to science economic growth by enabling productivity gain and new industry. The semiconductor industry, software development, telecommunication, and digital media have grown fast economic flow and employment opportunities worldwide. Additional automatic and advanced manufacturing technological have improved efficiency and reduced costs. Thus, science have suffered the risk of knowledge economy, where information technology and innovation are can compete advance. 4. Social transformation through digital technology. The perceived adoption of digital technology has risen social organization and cultural norms. 1. Labor market transformation. 2. Communication and information. 3. Globalization. Therefore, social transformation illustrates how physics discovers underpin technology that not only drive economic growth but also reframes human relationships, governs, and cultural expression. Next. Ethics and responsibility of scientists. 1. Moral answer among physics creation their discoveries. And as the power of physics discoveries become evident, many scientific ethical dilemmas regard their responsibility for the application of the world. The dual is nature of man technology capable of both beneficial and harmful outcomes. forced the scientific community to confront questions about the limits, risk, transparency, and social oversight. The awareness makes shift for a fully knowledge-driven pursuit to a more social conscience, to more moral awareness among physics regarding their discourse. Einstein in the influence began with his famous one z 139 letter warning President Roosevelt about Nazi Germany positive potential development of neutral weapons with help intended the Manhattan Project. Hour of witnessing the described aftermath of the bombing. Einstein becomes a leading voice advocating for nuclear disarmament, international cooperative, and the peaceful use of atomic energy has evolution hit the extension between scientific course and technical responsibility. 3. The Robert openness, moral relativism, and choice of other scientific Oppenheimer, the scientific direction of the Manhattan Project famously questioned the behavior Gita after the Trinity crash. Now because there's the destruction of work. The enemy of this columns express the brigade and moral council over the conceptuality of the world. This relativization spread of efforts to foment Earth control and effort border because when the ethical obligation of science expressing the importance of science and responsibility in science and the force. Next, changing boards the views. One, the paradigm shift for constant on objective to produce and relativity. Classical Newton physics develops a clockwork universe guided by determined laws where every event close to paradigm pressure if critical condition we know. The advent of Einstein relativity introduced in idea to measurement depend on the observed elements of reference makes absolute similarity and universe time universal concept to influence of relativity and quantum physics on modern physics. The object the science understanding concept new physical inquiries and epistemology, metaphysics, and ontology thinkers questions the possibilities of object relativity, the limits of human pursuit on the the observed in living ten phenomena. 3. Impact on Earth, lecture and culture. The science relatives influence and her transformation in Earth's humans. Modern lecture experiment with non-linear narrative and paradigm concept to mirror the concept in relativity. Visual as emerge abstract and surrealism because from research to explore and symbolic dynamics. 4. New understanding of human's place in the universe. Modern physics to the instinct of relativity and quantum mechanics has for altered humanity view of it. No Lansing, the center of the crime how humans are now understanding to copy a smile transplants in a vast and a flowing universe. Einstein relativity know that space and time are dynamic, while quantum mechanics, relativity, and Froebel's and ever observed in quantum relativity challenging traditional notion of objective. Next, conclusion. The mass energy equation physical and the development of nuclear physics culminated in the creation of atomic weapons, marketing a pivot point in global geopolitics. The Manhattan Project in the Success development in neutral bombs, fundamental altered military strategy inaugurated the Cold War and introduced to the crime of determine in the way physics become global to the reform introduction relativity and global simulation quantum theory because the concept of the digital age in innovation in semiconductors layers and and computing deeply rooted in quantum mechanics include the technology revolution that transforms global economic and labor con- communication and industry as information technology spread daily life and employment globalization, leading the world economy in compact network of interments that must forward have also broken social and critical responsibilities. The inner conflict experienced by figures like Einstein and Oppenheimer have the moral versus the accomplished science advancement. Their relaxation call for a revolution of the rules. Science fly not just the cost free, but guiding how those discoveries are applied as science able to mass prowess for its ethical governance.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for listening to us finally. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.